Hello everyone, welcome to my third drum video, part of my drumming YouTube channel called Whole Lot of Drumming. I thought today I would show you one of my favorite fills, okay? It's a simple fill, it's not too complicated, but it's very cool, it's very effective, especially if you voice it in certain ways, which I'll be showing you. So stick around, one of my favorite drum fills. This fill basically is a 3-note pattern, right, left, bass. That's all we're doing. We're taking this 3-note pattern, right, left, bass. Okay, and we are going to play them as 16th notes for one bar. If you were to do that, you could only fit 5 of them, 5 of these 3-note phrases in a bar. So here's how this works. Right, left, bass, 5 times in a row. Right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass. You play 5 of them in a row. Now with the tempo, as 16th notes, it's going to sound like this. Right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass. Right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass. When you take this 3-note phrase and you play them as 16th notes in one bar, you get what we call a 4/3 polyrhythm. So let me just review that one more time, okay, on my chest here. 3, 4, right, left, bass, 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 right, left, bass. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. That's the idea. Okay, so that's the theory behind it. Let me just give you an example of how this fill works, playing it on the snare only. Here it goes. So now you see how this fill works on the snare drum and the phrase that it creates, because you've heard it in context with a metronome. So now the next step would be to play it around the drum kit in clockwise. If you're a right-handed drummer, you would be going clockwise. Us right-handed drummers, we tend to, we move in this direction a lot. Okay, so let's try this fill where we are moving it in this direction. Check it out. Third step would be to take this and let's go the opposite. Let's go in counterclockwise. Now that you've done it on the snare and you've done it clockwise, counterclockwise, it's time to have some fun. This is one of my favorite things to do. Because it's a linear phrase, that's what we call it. It's a linear phrase, meaning that it's one note at a time. There are no 2 notes being played at the same time. Now we're going to play it where the right hand is moving around the drum kit and the left hand stays on the snare drum. Check it out. Pretty cool, eh? Well, let's try the same idea now, but instead of the left hand remaining on the snare, let's put the left hand on the hi-hat and the right hand is moving. This is also one of my favorite voicing. So let's check it out. what we do now is we do 1 bar time, 1 bar fill. And when you play your fill, voice it any way you like. You can go clockwise, counterclockwise, you can split your hands up, you can do whatever. Here's an example. Okay, so now that you've done 1 bar time, 1 bar fill, great exercise to help you develop playing fills. But in actuality, when you're playing a song, you're not always playing 1 bar time, 1 bar fill. That's like 50% time, 50% fill. That doesn't work in songs. As you know, as drummers, we play mostly time and fills every once in a while. So maybe 90% of a song is time and 10% are fills. In order for you to train that way, it's best that you set up these phrasing exercises like this. First one being 3 bars time, 1 bar fill. So that allows you to play time for a bit and then do the drum fill. That's closer to what you do in a song. It's a little closer anyway. Here's an example. 3 bars time, 1 bar fill, that's great. 75% time, 25% fill. Again, in a song that's very rare, unless you're playing 60s music or early 70s, drummers tended to do that a lot. They played fills quite frequently. To get closer to what it's like playing in a song, we're going to have to try this last exercise, 7 bars time, 1 bar fill. Now that is a little closer to what you would be doing in a song. Check it out. Now, I never discussed how long you should be doing each step. I would say to spend about 1 minute to 5 minutes on each step. So you can put some mileage into this and you'll get something out of it. Also, experiment with different tempos. On my previous video, I talked about tempos and how to improve your timing, and it had to do with exposing yourself to a lot of different tempo ranges. So I would suggest that you would practice these at various tempos as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please press like. If you have a comment, please do so. And for those pros and advanced drummers, I know this isn't something that is difficult for you. You might want to maybe share some of your ideas on how to take this 3-note phrase and do something with it if you'd like. If you could just leave a comment, that would be great. Also, please check the description below. I will be leaving a PDF of this fill written out for you, so you have a copy of it for those of you who read and like to have this kind of stuff in a written format. It's there for you. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next video.